folding clothes hacks. If you're in a hurry and tend to hastily fold your newly washed clothes from the laundry before putting it away and inside your closet or drawers, you might fold it in the wrong way, which will lead to wrinkling your clothes and consuming unnecessary space. Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we will be talking about some folding hacks and techniques to save some space. Folding our clothes and other stuff can be troublesome if you don't know how to do it properly. Not being able to fold it in a good way can give you lots of trouble, like wrinkling your clothes, and can be a reason for it to consume a larger space than it should. The problem is, you don't know any techniques or hacks to do this task perfectly and nicely. If you're struggling to fold your clothes and other stuff quickly and orderly, feeling stressed about doing it, don't worry, as we've got you covered. We have 5 tips to share with you that can easily help you properly fold them in no time. Follow these tips and you will surely save significant storage space while keeping things neat and organized. Without further ado, let's jump right into those tips. Folding t-shirt hacks. The University of California, Berkeley has already researched the most efficient way of folding t-shirts by using robotics prepared by engineers and students. The technique was said to be the most efficient in terms of saving enough space. Here are the steps. Fold the sleeves inward to the body. After folding the sleeves inward, fold the sides inward once more. Then, fold the bottom part to the top. Folding dress shirt hacks. The dress shirt is popularly known for its classy and decent look. While you may be tempted to just hang your dress shirts, folding them might just be the better thing to do. Not only can it be placed orderly and neatly in drawers and saves precious space, but it can also prevent it from wrinkling. It is better to fold them if you're not a fan of ironing. Here are the steps. Close all the buttons. Make sure to do this before anything else. Fold the sleeves straight inward and fold it downward. Do this on both sides. Fold the bottom part upward until you reach the center of the shirt. Do it again until you reach the collar. Folding towel hacks. It is obvious that the best way to fold a towel, no matter what size it is to fold it into 3 parts. Towels folded using this method takes up less surface space and is much easier to stack. And for more information, this is how 5-star hotels fold their towels. Hacks for folding a sweater. Bulky and heavy sweaters should never be hung using a hanger, as it can get droopy and get out of shape in the long run. To avoid this from happening, folding it neatly is the key. Here are the steps to follow. Fold the sleeves inward and make sure that you'll be making a cross by doing this. Fold the bottom part to the top part. Place it nicely inside a drawer or cabinet. Hacks for folding underwear. If you ever wonder, who the heck is folding their underwear? Think again. Keep your undies neatly organized will help and make it easier for you to find your favorite ones without having to dig your way down on your drawer or messing up your undies. Another advantage of this is it could save a lot of space. Here are the steps. Fold the bottom part to the middle. Fold both sides to the middle. Place them in your drawer. And these are the 5 folding hacks that you can follow to ease up your storage space in your drawer. Have any more ideas? Comment them down below. That's all for our video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Click the notification bell to keep you notified for more videos like this. We hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on our next one.